Tailin NC Membrane is produced by directly casting nitrocellulose casting solution onto a transparent polyester backing. It combines excellent mechanical strength, processing performance, and detection performance based on lateral flow immunoassay technology. The NC membrane is widely used in infectious disease testing, food safety testing, drug testing, pregnancy testing, and many other fields. Outstanding intra-batch and inter-batch consistency. A uniform pore structure. And excellent protein binding capacity. Each roll is assigned a unique code for full traceability. Membrane stripping. Assembly. Cutting. Test strip assembly. Lateral flow test. Tailin conducts comprehensive membrane performance evaluations and implements strict quality control throughout the process. Multiple membrane performance tests are carried out to fully assess membrane properties. Appearance inspection. Thickness measurement. Adhesion test. Capillary flow rate test. From professional laboratory R&D to standardized production and testing, every NC membrane undergoes rigorous inspection at each stage, supported by a complete COA report. Tailin provides reliable assurance for scientific research and diagnostic analysis through solid technology and consistent quality.